My name is Jonah Essers, and I'm here at Swedish Medical Center in the Pediatric Specialty Group, and you're watching News You Can Use. Today we're going to talk about the new FDA regulations for food labeling gluten-free products. Gluten is a molecule that's contained in wheat, barley, and rye. It's a protein, and it's the protein that makes bread products chewy and crusty, and it gives it the texture that we've come to love, for example, like in a piece of French bread or a baguette or a sourdough. That mouthfeel is something that comes from gluten. And so patients with celiac disease have an immune reaction when the gluten is in their bowels. And that immune reaction causes inflammation in the bowels and leads to a whole host of symptoms, including bloating, abdominal pain, diarrhea, constipation, weight loss, iron deficiency, anemia. So the definitive treatment for celiac disease is to become gluten-free, to remove all gluten from your diet. And when you remove all gluten from your diet, all of your symptoms from celiac disease should go away and all the damage to your bowel should get healed up. And so that's why this FDA regulation is so important, because if our food labeling laws are better, it will make it easier for our patients to make good food choices. They are less likely to have gluten in their diet, and we will create a healthier community of patients with celiac disease. So there are 5 safe phrases that are regulated by the FDA, and if one of these 5 phrases are on a food label, it implies that the food industry has done the assay to look to see how much gluten is in their food products. And those 5 safe phrases are gluten-free, free of gluten, free from gluten, no gluten, and without gluten. So if they haven't used one of the 5 safe phrases, then there's no FDA regulation, and we don't really know how much testing has been done on those foods. The decision to see a doctor about whether you could have celiac disease really comes down to whether you're having a constellation of chronic symptoms. If you're having any of the following symptoms for a long period of time, you should seek medical attention, and that's really abdominal pain, diarrhea, constipation, bloating, poor appetite, weight loss, iron deficiency, anemia would be some of the major symptoms with celiac disease. I want to thank you for watching News You Can Use. I'm Jonah Essers, and we'll see you next time.